how to use the program functions on your Avid Guide Series chamber vacuum sealer. The Guide Series has 5 pre-programmed functions that allow you to adjust the vacuum and seal time settings depending on what you're vacuum sealing and for your needs. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set a couple of the programs just by pressing a few buttons. And these will stay set at those specific vacuum and seal times until you change them, really. So to start, we're gonna press this P, the program button, until it gets to program 1, because we're gonna adjust the very first program first. Then we're gonna press the check mark. It is set for 20 seconds vacuum time. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna change that to maybe 15 seconds for a delicate item. You know, it really depends on what it is, but in this scenario, we're going to set it for 15 seconds vacuum time, and then we're going to adjust the seal time setting to 1 for the bags that we're using. And then you'll press the check mark again. So that first program is set. Now we're going to press the program button again until we get to program 2. Press the check mark. It's currently set to 50 seconds. I want to lower that to, let's say I have something that I want to vacuum seal for only 30 seconds. So I'm going to lower program 2 to a 30-second vacuum time, all the way down to 30. Press the check mark. Now I'm going to set the seal time. I'm going to lower that seal time setting because I'm just using, an Avid regular vacuum pouch. So we'll set the seal time to 1.5 and press the check mark. So now I've pre-programmed 2 programs on the Guide Series. Those will stay that way, and now you are able to program up to 5 buttons as needed at those settings until you change them. Remember, everything is trial and error, so I would recommend playing around with it and don't set any programs until you know and you've got your method for what you're vacuum sealing down. That's it, and happy vacuum sealing.